To cash out on Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Ensure you have a balance in your account that you want to cash out. On the main screen, tap the Banking tab, located at the bottom left corner. This will take you to the banking section of the app where you can manage your funds. In the banking section, select the Cash Out option. You will be prompted to enter the amount you want to cash out. Type in the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account or debit card. You can choose to cash out instantly or use the standard deposit option. Instant deposits are available for a small fee, usually a percentage of the amount you are cashing out, while standard deposits are free but take 1 to 3 business days to process. After selecting your preferred cash out method, confirm the transaction by tapping the Cash Out button. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. To avoid any issues, ensure your bank account or debit card is linked to your Cash App account and that you have sufficient balance to cover the cash out amount. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits that may apply to your account. It is also essential to keep your Cash App account and linked bank account or debit card information up to date to prevent any disruptions to your cash out transactions. By following these steps, you can easily cash out your Cash App balance and transfer the funds to your bank account or debit card. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully before confirming the cash out to avoid any errors.